Let's embark on a captivating exploration of Kolkata's cherished heritage as we delve into the significance of preserving its iconic trams, a Kolkata High Court's ruling. Today we will explore the timeless charm and rich heritage associated with trams in the vibrant city of Kolkata. Trams have played a pivotal role in shaping the history, culture, and identity of the bustling metropolis. As a mode of transportation that has traversed the city streets for over a century, trams have become an integral part of Kolkata's urban fabric and capturing the imagination of both residents and visitors alike. Recently, the Calcutta High Court issued a landmark ruling that has sparked considerable discussion and debate. The court's decision revolves around the preservation of these iconic trams, which are regarded as a tangible representation of city's past and a testament to enduring legacy. The ruling has ignited conversation about the delicate balance between progress and cultural preservation, raising important questions about the future of trams in Kolkata. To understand the importance of trams in Kolkata, we must delve into the historical context. Trams were introduced in the city in year 1873, marking the beginning of new era in urban transportation. Over the years, they have played a significant role in shaping Kolkata's transportation system, connecting different parts of the city and providing a unique mode of travel for its residents. Beyond their utilitarian purpose, trams have become a symbolic of Kolkata's heritage, evoking a sense of nostalgia and representing the city's distinct character. The rattling sound of the wheels on the tracks and the vintage design and the slow-paced journey create a charming experience that is deeply intertwined with the cultural fabric of Kolkata. Riding in a tram in Kolkata is truly a unique experience, one that transports passengers not only from point A to point B but also back in the time. Its rhythmic clatter, the gentle swaying motion, and the panoramic views of bustling streets create an atmosphere that is both soothing and evocative. This nostalgic ambience evokes fond memories for older generations while offering a glimpse into the city's rich heritage for younger ones. In the case before Calcutta High Court, the central issue at the hand was preservation and sustenance of trams as a part of Calcutta's cultural heritage. The court considered various arguments and evidence presented by both proponents and opponents of tram preservation. The petitioners seeking the safeguard of trams put forward compelling assertions regarding their historical, cultural, and architectural significance. One of the main legal arguments presented was that trams hold intrinsic heritage value and deserve protection under relevant conservation law. The petitioner emphasized the need to acknowledge trams as tangible symbols of Kolkata's identity and to take proactive measures to preserve and maintain them for future generations. They contended that trams contribute to city's tourism, economic and overall well-being, making them worthy of legal protection. On the other hand, those opposing the preservation of trams raised concern about practicality and financial viability of sustaining the tram network. They argued that resources should be allocated to modernize and develop more efficient modes of transportation, given the evolving need of a rapidly growing city like Kolkata. Their contention was that prioritizing trams might hinder progress and development. The Calcutta High Court ruling carries implications that extend beyond the preservation of trams. It raises questions about the broader impact on Kolkata's transportation infrastructure and city's overall development plans. The ruling requires careful consideration of alternative transportation solutions to ensure uninterrupted connectivity and efficient mobility. If preservation efforts result in operational changes or reduced routes, balancing preservation and progress presents several challenges. Preserving Kolkata's iconic trams is not just a matter of transportation, it is a matter of preserving history, culture, and identity. Trams holds immense significance in Kolkata's collective memory, evoking a sense of nostalgia and representing city's unique charm. The recent Calcutta High Court's ruling recognizes the importance of preserving trams and strikes a balance between heritage preservation and urban development. To read in detail about these updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Binge.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.